What's up, guys? Got another digestible one for you today. Another short one. This time it's Mountain Dew. They've been releasing these new flavors from back to back. Within the Baja Blast family, we have the Caribbean Splash. New flavor. It looks nice. I like the color, I like the design and everything. We've tried Mountain Dew before. I believe it was like the red, white, and blue popsicle flavor. That was pretty good. Haven't seen it yet. Go check it out. This one's gonna be a solo venture. Trying out this flavor. So without further ado, let's get into it. It's guava flavored. Okay. Yeah, yeah, this one kind of tastes like medicine. I'll be honest with you, this one's a pass. I'm not really feeling this one actually. Um, again, it is guava flavor, so that's probably why. I mean, not all guava flavored drinks are that bad or bad at all. This wasn't. It's not bad at all. It's just it's very strong. Not really. No, it's not terrible. I said a 5 out of 10, half and half. Most you like this, but it's okay for me. Yeah, that'll do it for this video. Y'all take care. All right. Bye bye.